Microsoft OneNote is a convenient tool for research, taking notes, and organizing information. And in Microsoft OneNote, it also lets you export the entire notebook as a PDF, or just a section, or even a single page. However, if you have switched the background color on OneNote to black while writing in white ink, and you might want to export it in PDF, the white ink will be invisible. Now in this video tutorial, we would show you a workaround on how you can still print the black background to PDF. To start, launch Microsoft OneNote on your desktop and open the notebook you're working on. Now since the page color option does not work, as a workaround, we would insert a black picture and set this as a background image. But first, you have to switch the background color to white. Then go to the Insert tab, select Pictures, and insert a black image to your Microsoft OneNote. Then, adjust the picture based on your liking, and after that, you can now set it as a background image by right-clicking, and then select Set Picture as Background. And with that, you can now write with white ink in OneNote, and it will become a black page even after converting this page to PDF. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.